G'day investors, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Here we're looking at a few random blue chip shares across Australia, the US and Europe. And we're not suggesting you trade any of these, we're simply showing these as a guide for educational purposes. Feel free to subscribe and press the notification button for updates, but these updates are provided weekly at the moment. Also, don't forget to look at our Pete's Investing channel. That shows where our weekly posts are made for our blue chip share reviews, but also our weekly reviews on indexes across the world, and also our strategies. And our strategies include some of these areas of simple trading strategy, the average down process we use, and some money management ideas. Let's get stuck straight into it. And basically, we're looking at first the Commonwealth Bank of Australia. Here you can see it's caught, this is week by week on a 15-minute chart. Here you can see it's caught in this triangular consolidation mode. So no profitability at the moment. It's the profitability open up back here. You can see there the profitability for our buy and hold strategy is at break even. So the market's going sideways. And this second chart is the profitability for a buy and hold strategy, but we're following the buy and sell strategy as we've said in the previous channels. So Commonwealth Bank's going in a sideways motion, no real big movement either way at the moment. It'll be interesting to see what happens in the coming days. This is either going to break upwards or down once it breaks out of this consolidation, triangular consolidation phase. Next we'll look at BHP. This is in a short-term upward trade. As you can see here, it's bouncing off this upward support line in this little channel here. Hopefully it bounces up and goes in our direction. We've entered the trade back here at the start of 2 weeks ago. You can see here we're down a bit in our profitability from 1,118. We're currently sitting at 966, so down about $100. We're only into the 40 contracts opening there. We're trading these on $2,000 amounts for each trade we make, for each entry. Next we look at Volkswagen. Again, this is moving in a sideways direction after it made some nice gains in the past weeks, and it's even in this little triangular consolidation channel here this week. Again, when it breaks out, it's either going to go bang upwards this way or fall down further. Our profitability, we entered the trade back here at the start of the week. Our profitability here is about break even, as you can see there, where it started and where it's ended up so far. So this is going sideways, and we'll see what it does when it breaks out of this area here. Next, look at Telefonica. This is broken from our midweek update. We reported it back here. It was bouncing off this key support line, and it's broken below that, and now it's starting to go in a bit of a downtrend. So we'll see how that performs. Should it maybe accumulate more trades as per our strategy? You can see here it's below our CCI 0. So if it's gone below our entry point for entering more contracts as per our strategy, again refer to our strategy videos for that detailed information, it may enter more trades, more contracts. Next we look at JPMorgan. Again, you can see this week it's gone sideways after making slight gains in the past couple of weeks, and it entered back here at the end of the previous week. So we're below our profitability level after this little plunge down here, and again this is going in a triangular consolidation mode here. So that could go either way once it breaks out. Now as you can see there, it's going, our CCI is moving upwards, so that's a good sign. Hopefully it breaks above that and we'll see what it does. Johnson & Johnson. This is also caught in a consolidation phase. Again, slight gain but moving sideways at the moment, and breakout could go either way. You can see there it's bouncing off these support resistance lines in that little channel there. So uncertain times at the moment for Johnson & Johnson as well, with profitability just below or just about break even to where it opened up back here. Lastly, Caterpillar. So this week, after making a slight downturn, it broke above. You can see here we entered the trade about 3 weeks ago, back here. and it closed out on our trade here with a small profit. It ends our profitability back here. It was 1,494 and it closed at 1,571. So I made a slight gain on profit. So our strategy closed it out, so we're not in that position yet anymore. Although our CCI looks like it could be breaking above the zero, but it needs to break below the minus 50 as well. So it may not enter any more trades in the short term, but we'll keep an eye on that as well. That's it for now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like button should you wish to like the video, and we'll speak to you again in next week's updates unless we make any further updates during the week. Thanks for watching, and see you in future updates.